This video will show you the safest way to come downstairs with confidence. If you're caring for someone, we'll also show you how you can support them with this technique. Set your feet shoulder width apart. Hold onto the handrail for support. When descending stairs, you want to support your weight with your stronger leg, so we lead with our weaker leg. Then bring the stronger leg down to the same step. Keep stepping down with your weaker leg first, followed by your stronger leg. Always use the handrail for support. Avoid reaching too far down the handrail, as this can move your weight forwards and increase the risk of falling. Instead, place your hand just slightly in front of you on the rail before taking each step. Now let's look at how you can assist someone with this technique. Remind the person to step with their weaker leg first and to hold onto the handrail with their hand close to their body. You'll want to stay one step below them, so keep moving down to stay one step ahead as they descend the stairs. They can place a hand on your shoulder if they require a little more support. Be ready to offer support with your hand if they lose their balance. Remember, you're there to offer guidance and security. Try to let them do as much as they can by themselves to support their independence.